Alright guys, how's it going? Water Dragon here again. I seem to be starting every single fucking video here. I seem to always be going this way. I'm going to get my new shoes on my beast. That's why I'm on it today and not stuck at home. Just finished work. I think like maintenance on like your vehicle seems to be a really weird grey area for like essential travel. For me, this bike is my only transport. Now I have the car with Mrs. Dragon, but I'm not driving it because nothing's in my name, so it just stops any like issues if I got stopped for whatever reason. So I haven't been driving it. So like if I need to go up to my mum, help her with her shopping or anything like that, and then also if for whatever reason I get called into work, which for where I work it's actually very possible, so I need my bike. And it's just annoying that the government haven't specified, you know, can we go get our vehicles fixed, considering it like if it's our only transport. I don't understand if you have a car or two cars and one of them doesn't work, but then like especially where I live, there's no buses, there's no taxis, and you know if you do get a taxi it's a house call, so it's like double the fucking price. Unfortunately, and not unfortunately, it's just me and the beast. I actually want to talk about my carbon panels, because I did mention it in my build series episode 3 where I actually installed, and they didn't fit in the slightest. So the stock panels actually, like, they have like little hooks, little plastic clips on them that is obviously used to clip into like a sub mount. If you think of it that way, it's like a mount on the side of the bike. I don't actually really know how to describe it better than that. It didn't fit with them, just would not fucking fit in the slightest for whatever reason. I go fucking toll so I can avoid the town, and it's also a lot quicker for me. Lane discipline, my friend. Excuse me, pardon me. I hate the toll, but if I take the toll it's 3 minutes of a drive instead of 15 minutes through town, so I'll give them the euro. Yeah, so my panels didn't fit and I had to cut off the tabs on it, so they're held on with one bolt at the back, which is the stock bolt, and then industrial or heavy duty Velcro. It's really good, but I've noticed the one on the right, the top of it has already come off because it's such a small bit of Velcro I can get onto it. So I'm very annoyed. So, because the reason why I bought the carbon panels over, say, a stock replacement right-hand panel is because the two carbon panels was 130 euro, and one right-hand panel was like 250 euro from Yamaha. So, you know, obviously which one you're gonna get. And also the carbon just looks so nice, and it's the issue with this carbon is that the weave and the finish is actually really nice. Like, I've seen some really shit carbon before, you know, and this is actually fairly decent stuff, but there's been literally no effort put into making sure it fits for the bike. So like, as I said, I've had to like Velcro them on, which is probably fine for now, but when I actually go to like Mondello, or I actually, you know, have a bit of speed, I'm curious to see what it's going to be like. If they're going to fly off, I'll probably have to sort something else out to hold them down, because I'm not arsed trying to, you know, buy new ones yet. I know I'd use these ones because they actually are lovely.